Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we got Big B in here with us this afternoon. And Big B plays offensive tackle for the Philadelphia Eagles. You guys were Superbowl champs just a couple years ago, right?
Yeah, last year.
Last year.
Yeah,
That's
year.
right. Last year, you got the big trophy.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. So you're coming down here. You live down here now.
Yep.
In this area. So you've had a whole bunch of different chiropractors throughout your career, college and pro.
Yep.
And you kind of just came in here today to see what the difference was. So we're going to show them the difference today.
Yep.
So let's just check you out here first. Just have you close your eyes.
Close my eyes. Right here?
Yes, sir. And flex your head forward and backwards for me. And then back to neutral. There you go. Now, when I tell people they got big bowling ball heads, that's for most people, including myself. But you have not only got the bowling ball, but wear a helmet on top of that to make it heavier.
Yeah.
So you get a lot of that forward head posture. That's why you feel a lot of that stress in your lower neck and upper back region right there.
Yeah.
Your pelvis has shifted a little bit to the right of center down here on the x-axis. That's not too bad though. Now we've already done his history. Was that a thorough history?
Yeah.
Yep.
That was a good thing.
Okay, so let's lay you on your tummy here. I'm going to do your exam now. Okay.
Do you want me to take my sweatshirt off or I'm okay?
No, you're good with that. And your left leg is shorter by a half an inch in this prone position. And when I bring your legs up, it gets longer by half an inch. That tighten up a little bit in your thighs and your low back.
On the right side, yep.
Okay. So I want you to push against me, pull up, turn in against me, turn out against me. Okay, push, pull up, turn in, turn out. Good. Okay, I'm going to push down, you resist. Good. I'm going to push down, resist. Good. Okay, now just push against my hand. Good. And push against my hand. Excellent. Okay. So his muscle strength in his lower extremities is 5 by 5, of course, probably 10 by 10 actually. Got a little bit of tenderness right there on that right SI. And right there at L5. These are all a little sore, but not bad.
I'm all screwed up.
Got some ribs out of place in this thoracic spine here. That's tender right there. All right, so I'm going to have you lock your right leg straight for me and lift your whole leg up for me there, Big B. Okay, relax that one. Do the same thing on the left now. All right, I heard that popping in there. Did either one of those feel more difficult to lift you than the other one?
No, they're both up
The same? Okay. Did it hurt on either side? Good. That's hurt right there, and then right there, and the atlas right there too. Okay, let's sit you up and face towards your brother for a second. Okay, these are some orthopedic tests that I'm going to be doing on you here now. Tell me if this hurts anywhere in your spine. Good. Go backwards and to the right and down. Does that hurt anywhere? How about when we go back and to the left and down?
No.
Okay, if you tilt your head this way, does this tighten up? How about when you go this way, does this side tighten up?
Oh, well, both of them did.
Yeah, both of them?
Yeah.
Okay, if I lift straight up like this, does that feel better, same, or worse to your spine?
Feel the same.
Same? Okay. I'm going to push down, you resist. Excellent. Same thing here. Good. Alright. I'm going to pull out, resist. Now I'm going to push in, resist. Excellent. Same thing here. Yep, good. Okay, just relax your arm in my hand here for a moment. Brachioradius a little bit weak on that right leg. Not weak, strength-wise, just reflexes. Okay. Go ahead and scoot back just a little bit. Look up. Okay, good. All right. So let's go ahead and lay back on your stomach here now. Face right down in there. So after doing the orthopedic neurological exam on him and getting his history, I've concluded that he has sacroiliac subluxations, which are misalignments of the pelvic bones down here, lumbar spine subluxations, thoracic spine ribcage subluxations, and cervical subluxations. Those are just misalignments of the vertebra and pelvic bones that pinch on the nerves and can cause neurological dysfunction to whatever those nerves supply, but that's what we do here. We detect and then correct biomechanical improprieties or subluxations of the human body, and that's exactly what I'm going to do here with Big B this afternoon. Okay. Yes, sir.
Whoa.
It's a little deeper than it looks on YouTube, huh? Yep. Yes, sir. See, I have to summon up my old man strength for you, Big B. Okay, now your legs are exactly even, and I bet you this already feels easier than that first one did.
Yep.
See how they stayed even that time?
Mm-hmm.
You'll feel your head popping up a little bit on this one. There. There. Yes, sir. Okay, let's turn you on your back now, please, sir. There we go. Okay, slide up this way just a bit. There you go. Yep. Perfect. Slide down this way a little bit, and let's put both arms straight out to the sides for me. Yep, just like that. And just both your shoulders, your clavicles, and your anterior rib cage here. Yes, sir. Okay, then you got your hands on your tummy. You have this tree trunk here.
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Should have felt that from your knee all the way up to your low back.
Yep.
Good deal. Yes, sir. Good job. Okay.
That's my favorite right there.
Sit you up, face that way. Did you feel those all the way up?
Yep.
Good. Scoot back this way just a little bit, please, sir. There we go. Okay. If I can get my arms all the way around you. There, okay. There. What are you, about 6'7"?
6'6",
6'6"?
320.
320. Okay. I got a better grip on your left shoulder than I did your
Yeah.
right one. Did you feel the difference in movement?
Mm-hmm.
There.
Wow.
So what did you think of those games yesterday? Pretty close games, huh?
Yeah, wish we were playing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was crazy. 2 overtimes, huh?
Yeah. That's pretty. I hope Superbowl's that close.
Yeah.
Okay, come over here on this table now.
Yes. I've been waiting for this.
And get a new towel here.
I'm about to get reinvigorated.
That's right. The big D's getting the big D. RD. Ring dinger.
No.
Oh, I better not say that. Okay.
That better be on YouTube.
The big B's getting the big RD, not the D. I just figured that out. He's only getting the ring dinger here.
Good thing we don't edit these, right?
Yeah. That's the thing about ours. We're all unedited, so it'll all be all right. Your teammates will forget about what you see. There we go. Okay. Breathe through your nose. Oh yeah.
Wow.
Home run.
I felt that.
Yes, sir.
Holy shit.
Felt that all the way down to L5, didn't you?
Oh, man.
Yes, sir. Keep breathing.
I love it.
Always works when you breathe, buddy.
Yeah.
Okay. Let your head go in my hands here. Boy. It's like moving little Volkswagens in there.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What they call you, the ringer dinger, huh?
That's why I called this a ring dinger. It's like hitting that striker at the fair.
Mm-hmm.
You know, goes up and rings the bell.
Yeah, I never had the chance to hit the strike.
Yeah. All right, let's come over here sideways. Get up sideways. Yep. Stand right here in front of the mirror for me. All right. So So let's have you flex your hip forward and backwards in neutral again. And look at this stance already.
Is it better?
I bet you 6'8" now. You are taller.
How do
Pull these guys up and back. I'm gonna flare these back here. If I can reach up here, I'm gonna bring these heads straight back. Now don't follow me.
My bad.
You might hurt me. There we go. There we go, good. Now, when you do that again, just forward and backwards, tell me if this feels any smoother to you than the
Yeah, it
previous
does.
ones.
Yep.
Because nobody thinks this gun does anything, but it does.
No, it does.
It adjusts your atlas.
I get that every Friday.
Yes, sir. So you get adjusted regularly, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. So how does this compare to your normal adjustments?
We don't get ringer dingered.
Yeah. Did you feel that all the way down?
Yeah.
Did it
I
feel
can still
good for
feel
you?
it.
Yeah. You're gonna be a little sore from the first one.
Yeah.
That's okay. It's like
Definitely.
going to the gym and doing a workout,
Mhm.
you know.
Mhm.
Well, thanks for sharing your
Yeah,
experience with everyone on
definitely.
YouTube. What would you tell our YouTube audience, our crack addicts around the world, about how you feel with your first experience here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief?
I feel really good now after getting ringer dingered. But yeah, you should come by and see Dr. Johnson, and yeah, you feel like a different person now.
Well, thank you very much.
Yeah.
It's a pleasure meeting you in
Mhm.
person finally.
Yeah.
This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, where we practice hardcore chiropractic adjustments, full body, every single day. We'll see y'all soon.